Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK, National Parks and Wildlife Sanctuaries, questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We have launched the CMAT crash course from 1st Feb. The course includes detailed day-wise schedule covering all important topics and it's available for rupees 1,999. You can also enroll for 5 CMAT mocks for rupees 299. Link is given in description. And we are providing 5 latest patent TISSNET mocks also, which is of 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Moling National Park is located in which state of India? The correct answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh. Let's check the another question. Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Let's check the another question. Match the following national parks with their respective states where these are located. The correct answer is C. That is, Sariska National Park is situated in Rajasthan. Then Panna National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Nameri National Park situated in Assam. Khirganga National Park situated in Himachal Pradesh and Nagarhole National Park situated in Karnataka. Let's check the another question. Vansada National Park is located in which state of India? The correct answer is D. Gujarat. Let's check the another question. Gangotri National Park is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Let's check the another question. Which among the following national parks is the world's only floating national park? The correct answer is Kabul Lamjo. Let's check the another question. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in which state of India? The correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Let's check the another question. Kawal Tiger Reserve is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D. Telangana. Earlier it was a wildlife sanctuary, but in 2012 it was declared as a tiger reserve. Let's check the another question. In which India state the Great Himalayan National Park is situated? The correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Let's check the another question. Guru Ghasidas Tiger Reserve is located in which of the following Indian state? The correct answer is A. Chhattisgarh. It is a national park which is declared as a tiger reserve by the Chhattisgarh state government during the month of November. Let's check the another question. Jim Corbett National Park is located in which state? It is situated in Uttarakhand. Let's check the another question. Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat is famous for which animal? The correct answer is Asiatic lion. Let's check the another question. Where is the Bhitarkanika National Park located? The correct answer is D. Odisha. Let's check the another question. Which national park is the India's first national park? The correct answer is B. Jim Corbett National Park. Let's check the another question. How many number of national parks in India are listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site? The correct answer is C. 7. Let's check the another question. In which northeastern state is the famous Kaji Ranga National Park located? The correct answer is C. Assam. Let's check the another question. Lavalong Wildlife Sanctuary is in which of the following states? The correct answer is C. Jharkhand. Let's check the another question. Which of the following national parks is not in Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is C. Kaleshwar National Park. The Kaleshwar National Park situated in Haryana. Let's check the another question. Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Let's check the another question. Ascot Musk Deer Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Hope the video will help you in preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.